I'm Austin Campbell, I'm the CEO of My Streets Ireland. The My Streets empowers people affected by homelessness to become walking tour guides. We set up in Drogheda, County Louth in 2014, and we moved up to Dublin last October 2018. So we run 3-month training programs that are accessible, that are fun and engaging for people who are living in emergency accommodation. We begin with helping people research whatever they're interested in. Then we run creative writing classes, performance and confidence classes, and then tour guiding classes where you take somebody from the very beginning and kind of walk them through all the steps in a really accessible way to becoming a professional tour guide. And the reason why we do that, I suppose, is in 2014 I was working in homeless services, and for people living there in night-by-night emergency accommodation, it's completely unrealistic to go straight in and get a job or straight into education. And all of the stories I heard as well, you hear these amazing stories that'll make you happy, that'll make you sad, but you're engaged in all the stories you hear. So it's there must be an opportunity to kind of make something out of this and to change the narrative around homelessness. So we'll spend the award funding on running another 3-month training program. We will also spend it on people who were undergraduate from our previous course, who have gone on to become tour guides, and keeping them involved. So maybe every week or every 2 weeks, bringing them back in after each training course. We kind of go out for dinner, so keeping them involved in all of that.